Welcome to all of you in this new video. In this video, I'm going to explain you the procedure to draw the pentagonal structure by using a special method. Basically, in special method, there are three to four different ways are there to draw the pentagonal structure. Out of that, one of the way or one of the method I'm going to cover in this video. So let's start. The name of this method is a special method, and for drawing the pentagonal structure by using special method, the basic requirement is length of one of the side of the pentagonal structure should be given to us. So you can consider here one of the length of the pentagonal structure is given 40 mm. So the first step will be, by considering that much of length, we have to draw a line, a straight line, and we have to name that line as a AB. Suppose this is the first step, draw a 40 mm long line AB. So this is the first line, and having the same length 40 mm long, and having the nomenclature AB. The second step will be, by using the compass and radius equal to A to B length, we have to draw two circles by considering A point as a center, and after that B point as a center. Okay, likewise you can observe here the first circle, by considering the B point as a center and B to A as a radius, we have to draw the complete circle. Then by using the second center as a point as a second center and A to B as a radius, we have to draw the second circle. Okay, this is the second step. Now the third step, name the point P and Q at the place of intersections of both the circle. Means where the intersection of these two circle will happen, at that place we have to name that point as a P and Q. Suppose the lower point is P and upper point is Q, where the intersection of the two circles is. The fourth step will be, with P as a center and radius equal to AB, draw an arc to intersect circle 1 and circle 2 at point M and N. Means we have to consider P point as a center, P to A or P to B, either A or B. This much distance with the help of compass we have to consider as a radius, and we have to draw the arc, and it will intersect with the first circle and second circle. At that place we have to name that points as a M and N. Just you can observe here, by considering the P as a center, P to A as a radius in the compass, and we have to draw such type of arc which will intersect with circle 1 and 2, and at that place we have to name that point M and N. Okay, the next step will be, join P to Q to meet arc MN at point O. Okay, means we have to join the point P to Q, okay, with the help of straight line, and it will intersect with arc MN, and where the intersection of that vertical line or joining of the PQ will happen, at that place we have to name that point as O. Suppose this is the joining of the point PQ, and it will intersect, or it is intersecting to the arc at this place. We have to locate that point and name that point as a O. Okay, the next step, join M to O and extend it to meet the circle at point C. Means we have to join the point M and O with the help of straight line, and we have to extend it up to the circle, and where it will intersect with the circle, that point will be the point C. Okay, means that will be the third point of the pentagonal structure. Means we have to join M to O with the help of straight line, and we have to extend it up to the circle and name that point as a point C. Then we have to join B to C, that will be the second edge of the pentagonal structure. Okay, the next step will be, join, similarly we have to join M to N, and we have to extend that line up to the second circle, and the intersection of that line or joining of that line will be point E. Just you can observe here, join N to O with the help of straight line and extend it. It will intersect, or it is joining to the circle at this place. Name that point E. That will be the fourth point of the pentagonal structure. So we have to join A to E with the help of straight line. That will be the third side of the pentagonal structure. Now next step, that will be the last step. By considering AB distance as a radius, draw two arcs from point C and E to locate the point D. Now presently you can observe the 4 points of the pentagonal structure. For pentagonal structure there will be 5 points. Out of that, 4 point has been represented here. Now the fifth point we have to represent. For that, either we can consider AB distance as a distance in the compass, or B to C or A to E. All these three lines having the same length, but as per the procedure we will consider A to B as a distance in the compass. C's point and E point will be the new centers, and we have to draw the two arcs on the upper side. The intersection of these two arcs will be the fifth point of the pentagonal structure. Okay, and that point will be point D. You can observe here, and this will create the pentagonal structure by using a special method. I hope all of you understood this. Okay, thank you so much for observing and listening carefully.